This one's just a bit of a recap, or not really a recap, but just extended footage on making of the tabletop for the piano table. I felt that it kind of needed it. It deserved its own video. It's my first real proper tabletop, and it came out fairly nice, but lots of lessons learned along the way. So yeah, if you're keen to have a look at that, that'd be great. Let me know. There's a short up on whether the timber is maybe rimu or kauri. Yeah, leave us a comment below if you 100% know. There's a lot more footage of it in this than there is in the original piano table video. So let's get into it. I had these old doors sitting outside in the rain. We ripped them out of a cupboard inside the house, and at the time I didn't realise what they were. They are in fact lovely native timber. I think they're emu. Push them through the planer. You can see they turn from dirty rotting wood to this beautiful creamy orange timber, which is, I'm fairly sure it's rimu. I've just rough sanded this with 80 after filling the holes. Yeah, that was a mistake. Should have used epoxy. That ended a lot more abruptly than I thought it was going to, but I guess there's not really that much to a tabletop. It felt like a big deal when I was doing it, and there was a lot of other things going on, but really the thing that you need to get right is the jointing of the seams where the boards come together. My kingdom for a jointer, but the table saw with a nice clean cross-cut blade in it does a reasonable job. Hats off to people out there who can get a nice clean flat edge with a hand plane. That'd be great, and maybe that's something I'll try one day. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the end result. It's a beautiful table to sit at, and yeah, very, very happy. So don't be afraid of making tabletops. Cheers, guys. Be good to each other, and I'll catch you next time.